stands, and Brooke East Africa saw them in hands. When others ignored them, left to hear them weep, when pain had no language and suffering could not speak, illegal skin trade, heavy loads, cruel hands, neglect walked freely across many lands. But Brooke East Africa rose with compassion's lives to defend the junkie, to stand for his rights.